I am pleased to announce, on behalf of the Government of Canada, that we have recently finalized an agreement with Moderna to build a state-of-the-art mRNA facility, a vaccine manufacturing facility with pandemic response capabilities right here in Canada. And the investment we're talking that Moderna is going to be making in Canada will position Canada as a center of excellence for mRNA technology and next-generation medicines, because as I was saying in French before, we know that you're looking at a number of vaccines to cure diseases, even cancer, so we're looking forward to your research in Canada. So not only will have a manufacturing facility, a center of excellence, but this will also position Canada as a global mRNA research and development hub. Obviously, in exchange, the Government of Canada has made commitments to buy a number of vaccines that will come out of that facility in order to ensure the resiliency of Canadians. And that applies in pandemic and non-pandemic time, because you would know that Canada buys vaccines on an annual basis. And now, as the CEO of Moderna explained, they're producing about 24, or they're looking at about 24 type of vaccines that can cure different diseases in Canada. So what we have built for Canadian is flexibility, but obviously, because of that flexibility, there's different level under which the Government of Canada will be purchasing from Moderna, but I can assure you this is a good deal for Canadians.
In collaboration with Canada, Moderna wants to do three things. Number one, invest to have a state-of-the-art manufacturing facility here in Canada to produce vaccines for Canada and for the world. Two, to provide a secure and reliable source of innovation for the future, because COVID-19 vaccine is just our first vaccine. We're working on a high-efficacy flu vaccine that is already in clinical studies. And third, in our priorities with this project is to do something that is very dear to my heart. I've worked for infectious disease for 25 years, my entire career. And I believe that this technology can allow Canada to be ready for the next virus. Whether it's a small outbreak or a big pandemic like the one we just saw, God forbid, Canada will be ready. This new technology has already changed millions of lives. I believe over the next 10, 20 years, this technology is going to change dozens and dozens and dozens of millions of lives.